Improving transportation continues to be a top goal of the Lake County Board. This is because the County Board recognizes that a good transportation system is critical to supporting a high quality of life and economic growth. With this in mind, we are investing more than $500 million in transportation between now and 2023. To improve transportation, the Board identified 5 main strategies, such as implementing alternatives to single-occupied vehicles, leveraging new technologies, working with local, state, and regional partners to build consensus and advocate for sustainable funding and focusing on safety. And this is the roadmap we are following to develop a transportation system that provides safe and efficient movement through an integrated network. Let's take a look at a few of the success stories from 2018.
This year, the Lake County Division of Transportation's annual construction program included 30 projects and an investment of $100 million towards improving transportation and reducing congestion. A top priority in our program is preservation. Well-planned and executed maintenance and preservation efforts not only keep our roads as safe as possible, but also decrease the life cycle costs and allows us to spend our limited tax dollars responsibly. This year, we implemented a new preventive maintenance strategy called Pavement Rejuvenator.
Lake County DOT is implementing a new preventive maintenance program where we apply a new pavement rejuvenator spray to asphalt roadways with recently completed surfaces, extending the life of the pavement by about 5 years. We've done 2 test sections here in Lake County, one in 2014 here on Winchester Road and one in 2018 on Washington Street. When asphalt is placed, it is laid down at a very high temperature and some of the material that binds the pavement together is lost. The pavement rejuvenator applies maltings or glue back into the pavement, allowing for a tighter surface. This leads to less rocks chipping off, less cracking, less damage from freeze-thaw cycles and sitting water, and it slows the oxidation process.
Implementing the latest technology helps Lake County remain a leader in the region. We often say we can't just make roads wider, we need to make them smarter as well. In 2018, Lake County DOT launched a data sharing partnership with Waze to increase the amount of traffic information available to motorists. The partnership provides Lake County Passage with incidents reported by Waze users, as well as provide Waze users real-time incident and roadwork information confirmed by Lake County Passage operators. Combining the data gives Lake County Passage operators real-time traffic information that they can use to take action to reduce congestion and keep traffic moving.
The state of Illinois is facing a crisis point in transportation funding. We haven't had a state capital bill in 10 years. In October, CMAP released their long-range On to 2050 plan, which identified a $24 billion deficit to maintain our transportation system as it exists today, and an additional $30 billion to expand and modernize the system for the 21st century. It is important we continue to advocate for stable revenue sources for transportation improvements and for continued progress on the State Highway Consensus Plan in Lake County. Earlier this year, the Lake County Division of Transportation, our County Administrator's Office, and County Board members briefed our state delegation in Springfield on the importance of this issue. Following that effort, we continued to work with Lake County communities, the Lake County Transportation Alliance, and other regional partners to advocate for transportation funding and to educate them on the State Highway Consensus Plan for Lake County.